So here's the boat slip for Palm Court Yacht Club 502. It's number 4, so it's the first. And here's 2, 3. Here it is, 4. And the unit's up there on 5th floor. They currently have a jet ski. They're doing some work underneath the garage today. But anyway, this is where you get in. It is still kind of pretty deep in here, and I'm not sure how deep this water is, but I cannot see the bottom, so it's deep enough for, say, a boat to come through. But anyway, this is where you're at.